Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In last tutorial we have seen how to add and how to delete user. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to add any user to the group. So if you click here, right, you can see there is one attribute that name is unique member, and here if you see the value, this value is UID member value. So now what we will do, we will take this user and we will try to add into this group. So how we can do, just come and you can go down and create a new function here, function add user to group, right? And I am just going to pass here the group name, right? So we can put here group name, right? So which group we need to add that user. After that what you have to do, just come and if you scroll down you can see one method is there, modify. So just come and copy this whole code. We are going to change little bit in that code and copy paste. After that, see what is operation we are going to do. We are going to do add operation, and in modification this is the attribute name and this is the value. So what is attribute? Attribute name is a unique member, right? So just come and change as a unique member, right? After that we need to put some value, right? So what value we need to put? So suppose I need to add this user, so just come, go to the properties, and we need his full DN, right? So just copy, and after that just come and paste here, right? And here we need to pass like which group we are going to add that user. So just come and paste it here. After that what I will do, I will just copy this whole line because we are going to keep use if and else condition. So here we can put message like if error in add user in a group, right? And here we can put message like added user in a group, right? So actually what will happen, once we'll call this one, after that here we will see if the connection will be successful. After that we need to call our function, right? So this is our function name, and here we are going to pass our group name. So what will be the group name? If you come here, right, we have to add all the user here only. So just come, go to the properties, and you can copy this line, cancel it, come here, just pass it, right? So once you will enter your group name, it will go here, and here we are going to perform add operation. So suppose if you need to add bulk user, you can add as a array and just run. So once you will run, after that you can notice you are getting message like added user in a group. So just come and try to refresh. After that you can see, right, we have added that user successfully, right? We have added that user successfully. Suppose again I need to add this user, so what we can do, just come, copy his DN and close, come here, and here you need to change and try to run. After that you can see the user has been added in that group. Just go and try to refresh. After that you can notice, right, this two user we have added just now. So this is a way to add user in a group. So in next tutorial we are going to see how to delete user from a group, right? We are going to delete this both user. Both user.